Good morning, good morning, good morning. I'm your host, the Stock Sniper. We back. We back. Money Monday. Tesla stock is on the move, man. Doing good. That Robo taxi is on the way. Yeah. And Trump is supporting that Robo taxi. Selfless driving cars, self-driving cars. So be on the lookout when you're on the road, man. Yeah, that Robo taxi is coming real soon. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. We got 10 seconds left before the market starts. Here we go. Let me move back to NVIDIA. 2, 1, and we open. Let's see what's going on. See what's going on. As we start this day, we're currently down 1.75% on Tesla. I mean on NVIDIA. And of course on Mondays, the contracts be kind of expensive, bro. Yeah, they be expensive on Mondays. Let's see. Open into the volume. Mm-hmm. 140. Hit that 140 support. I got my EMA back. I reset the computer, so I should be good. What I don't understand is why I keep doing that. SPY, let's see what's going on with S&P 500. It's on the dip. NVIDIA has earnings this week. $139.84. We hit that low of 137.13 this morning, and ever since then we've been on that uptrend. We've been on that uptrend. Let's see. 140.13 high today. $139. Big red candle coming in right there. $138.50. Down 2.50%. Or 1 minute candles. Oh, here we go. There go those EMAs pointing down. We all know what that means. As we bounce off 138.50. 138.50 bounce. 138.50 bounce. Got the 138.50 bounce. We are 4 minutes in. Nothing yet on this Money Monday. Tesla stocks are up 5%. Nvidia earnings, I think, is Monday. It's Wednesday or Thursday. If I'm not mistaken, Nvidia earnings is November the 20th. Yeah, which is Wednesday. Let's see. Boy, these contracts are high. Wow. SPY. Contracts are kind of expensive on old Nvidia this morning, but we got to make it work. Let's see. Volume. Yeah, I think I'll go with this one. Got my put contracts loaded. We are up under support 138.33. 2.50 down. Got my shorts loaded. Got my shorts loaded. On 38.06. Can we break it? There we go. First trade in. First trade in up 3%. First trade in. Here I go. Money Monday. 137.25. Boom. Out. I had to get out of that 5% on that trade. On this 138.50 drop. 138.50 drop. 138.50 drop. Took out with 5% on 138.60 area. Right on time. Good little 5% trade to start the day off on this Money Monday. On this Money Monday. Let's see. SPY moving up. We already know Tesla ain't playing. We got Microsoft, Facebook. Let me get to the SPY. Move over to the SPY. One trade so far the first 5 minutes. 5% on that trade. %. SPY. Let's go back to Nvidia. I was looking for the 137.25 break on that trade, but it bounced off the 137.25. It bounced off this support line. It bounced off of it. So I had to cut it out. Had to cut out. Good trade right there. Start off Money Monday. Good trade. Resistance break, perfect entry, perfect exit. 138.50 was the entry. 137.60 was the exit. Perfect trade. Perfect trade. Caught this candle. I was looking for the 137.25 break, but it didn't happen. It bounced, and I just took the profits of the 5%. Good move. See, now we up to resistance now. As the candles are also, not the candles, these EMA lines are also the resistance. Can we get back up inside of that second floor? That's what we're trying to do right now as of this moment. Okay, let's see. Well, okay, we're above. See those EMAs, instead of going down, they're flattening out as we move up. Which I should get this out of the way. There, perfect. And I think I'm gonna move this too. We got proper resistance, proper support. We're actually in the middle right now. So stock sniper, just hold what you got. Hold what you got. I still got that same short put contract loaded for if it breaks this 137.25 area. That will be second trade. Looking for the break of the 137.25 as we are down 2.80% on the day. The stock, NVIDIA, is down 2.56, 2.50%, 2.5%. As my old baby, which is the SPY, is holding up right along the open. Go back to NVIDIA. On Monday, out the gate, 5% on a short. Quick little short. Was looking for the 325 break, but it didn't happen. It bounced. Had to cut out with the 5%, which is cool. Can't complain on Monday. Waiting on that big move. Waiting on that big move on NVIDIA. Just sit back and just watch it. That's what we got going on right now. Just sit back and just watch. Let the trade come to you, stock sniper. Let the trade come to you. Right now, stock sniper, you are in no man's land. We are looking to the break up the support or the rejection or the breakout of this resistance. So we can't do nothing until we get up to 140 or down to 137.25. Can't do nothing but just watch. Keep your finger on the trigger, stock sniper. That's what you got to do now. But at any given time, I can switch from short to long at any given time. It's 8:45, only 15 minutes in. We got plenty of time. Just be patient. Let's see what the SPY is doing. SPY is moving on up. 586.85 is the resistance on the SPY. Let me get it off the SPY, go back to my baby, which is NVIDIA. Let me check out Tesla. Tesla is up to resistance line for 345.21. Well, I can't wait till the Robo taxes come out. Can't wait. All the EMAs are up under the candles in their rightful spot. Let me look at the Tesla contracts. I'm switching from NVIDIA to Tesla. Let's see what's happening. Because those NVIDIA contracts are kind of expensive. Well, rejection of the 345.21. Perfect rejection off of the resistance line. Bro, perfect rejection. Perfect. Perfect. Go back to NVIDIA. See, as long as NVIDIA is up, down, right up in here, there's nothing going on. But one thing about NVIDIA can move. It can move. That's what I love about NVIDIA. It trades exactly how I want it to trade. Because I be wanting to get in and out. I don't want to be sitting like right now. I don't like that. I like to be in and out. Once I figure out the direction that I'm gonna go and I do my technical analysis, which is already done, all I need to do is just sit and watch and wait for it to come where I needed to go. I need it down here. I need it right down here. And this is where it's coming. With all the EMAs pointing down. All the EMAs are pointing down. So I needed to get down here. I'm looking for the 137.25, this line to crack. That's what I'm looking at. That is the support line, 137.25. As it looks looking like a double bottom. One bottom, two bottoms. There's a lot going on right now. Stock Sniper. It's a lot going on, Stock Sniper. Plan A is this 137.25 crack. That's plan A. But we also build the support at 137.65, Stock Sniper. We're also building support right here. But the EMAs are still pointing down with the VWAP. See, that's the only thing about this VWAP. It's not pointing down. It's kind of going straight. The VWAP is the line up here all by itself. 138.97, the VWAP. The SPY It's now red. Okay, so we should see some downward movement. We should see some downward movement. Look like it's gonna come to where I need it to be. Come on, what else is going down? Tesla's starting to go down. Microsoft is holding up. Facebook is going down. Amazon going down. Let's see. Pay close attention, stock sniper. Okay. Pay close attention, stock sniper. So what's going on? SPY is back green now. Here we go. Getting close. We're getting close now. The EMAs are steady pointing down. We got a double bottom. We got a double bottom. We got a double bottom right here. And what's so clear about this double bottom is that the tails are showing lower shadows, but I call them tails because that's exactly what they look like. They look like a tail. Okay, 137.25. We're getting to where I needed to be, but we're bouncing. So now I'm considering, unless it breaks this 137.25 clearly, that trade is looking like it's off the table because these tails, tail, that shows reversal. Tail, tail, tail. This tail is longer than this one, and this tail is longer than this one. So 137.25 could be a good area for a bounce, but I gotta let it play out. You gotta let it play out, stock sniper. You gotta get a clear indication that it is a reversal. It's a double bottom. Let's see. But the EMAs are still pointing down. That's the only thing that is still makes my plan A in play. Still in play. Not much, but it's still a play because the EMAs are up here. Now the EMAs was down here. This play that I'm waiting on, the 137.25.50, would be off the table for sure. But because of these EMAs are pointing down, it is still on the table. So let's see how it's going to play out as we build lower highs. But we got good support right here. Something's going to happen in the next few minutes. What it is, I don't know at this time. But we're finna find out. I know I'm jumping in. If we get below this 137.25, a clear break of the 137.25. A clear break of this 137.25. But it looks like it want to hold up as support. But the thing that it's got going for them is that these EMAs are still pointing down. So let's see what happens. Let's see. Here we go to the line. Another bounce. Another small little bounce. 137.20. Let's see. It's moving too slow. It's going up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Not in play yet. The stop loss will be 137.50. That would be the stop loss, but It's too wishy-washy. It's too wishy-washy. It's not time yet. But we still got the downward trend. There it go again, buckle down. Just wait. See, all these tails are giving it away. Just wait. Volume, super low. The volume is super, super low on Money Monday. Then again, Tesla earnings is Wednesday. Not Tesla, Nvidia earnings is Wednesday. Earnings report come out on Wednesday. Good bounce. Let's see, but these EMAs got to get back to their rightful position, which is up under the counter. Stocks like, why you didn't take your position on the drop of the 137.25? I didn't take it because I seen this red tail followed by this red tail followed by this red tail, and it did come down. These tails indicate a reversal. So just because I said 137.25 break, I'm waiting on it was supposed to be a clear break of the 137.25, not all the wishy-washy. So once I seen all the wishy-washy, that pretty much took it off the table in this area right here. But it's still in play. Still can happen in another area because these EMAs are still pointing down and the tails are getting smaller. So we're just watching. But it had a good bounce off that area, 137.25, which is the support. But on this particular play, my plan was the 137.25 crack. That's what I'm looking at. We are 30 minutes in on Money Monday. Spy. But it's not that much volume. We got earnings coming out Wednesday, I know for sure, on Nvidia. Which bound. See, now the lines are starting to go in the rightful area, which is up under the counter. So that 137.25 break for a short is it's out. That plan A is off the table. Plan A is off the table. Plan A is off the table. Good bounce off that 137.25. Yeah, see this, the long tails right here gave it up. Signs of reversal when you see the tails. Gave it up. The race up to the VY. The EMAs are in their rightful spot though, up under the counter. For the push up to the VWAP, which is 138.68. Now, since plan A is off the table, now we got to look out for plan B. Good bounce right here. All the EMAs are up under the candle. We got the VWAP 138.68, which is the next line of resistance, because these lines, even though it's standing out by itself, it is also a resistance line from which this candle, once 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 I see this VWAP like goes straight, I know that it's an automatic, usually there's an automatic magnet for this candle to come up to here. So I'm gonna see how it play out as the EMAs start pointing up. You 138.29. We're looking to go up to that 138.67. I'll be looking for plan B once we cross this VWAP. Once we get over this VWAP, then I will be looking for my second entry. But it won't be a short. It won't be to the downside. Since all these EMAs are back in their rightful positions, I switched it now. Now I'm not looking for a short. I'm looking to go long on the run back up to 140. That's plan B. That's plan B. For this candle to magnet up to this VWAP line and then break it. Once it break it, I already got my call, I already got my contracts loaded. Once it breaks it, I'm entering for the run up to 140. See the spy moving. Tesla moving on up. Microsoft moving. So that 138.66 can also be a resistance line. So I'm just waiting on it to crack a clear indication that we're passing up this VWAP. As we're getting a little selling right now. I didn't bring my water, man. Let's see. We are 35 minutes in. If you are watching, I can't really see the comments right now because I am on this chart. I would have to switch it to the dashboard, and I can't do that right now. So if you watching, appreciate you for joining me. Looking for this break. Let me see. Let me put in this upper trend line. And I'm gonna break it all the way up to there because my second entry would be above this VWAP for the run up to the 140. As we make this big old U shape, double bottom right here. So double bottom. Going down right here. Boom. We're gonna put the downward trend line from over here. There we go. There goes the magnet to that VWAP. Everything's looking good. Perfect resistance. I don't even have to put a line right here because the VWAP is right there and it's going straight, which that is also resistance. I could put a line right here, but I'm not. I'm looking for the clear break of this VWAP, but that is a resistance as well. But I'm looking for the clear break of that VWAP. I got the right contracts loaded, make sure I ain't making no mistakes. Because it has been times that I'm going for a long, but then because I switch, sometimes I go for a short, sometimes I go for a long. The first trade was a short. Second trade, we're going for the green side. We're looking for it to go up. I just needed to break this strong resistance line right here, which is the VWAP. We got to break that VWAP clearly. Then I'm going in for my second trade of the day. Another rejection of that VWAP. Touch, 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 touch. One touch, two touch, three touch, four touch. Not quite a touch on that one. Looking for it to get back up here. 140, which that would be hard of resistance. Just watch them. I gotta take a little bit longer to wait on my second trade because on my second trade, uh, my plan B, which was the trade down here, it didn't go the way I wanted it to go, right? Because I was looking for the 137.25 crack. Obviously, it didn't do that. And so I was wrong on this one. As I seen the setup, but I couldn't in I couldn't in the mid action just switch my contracts. But I was wrong on this one down here. I thought it was gonna crack that 137.25, but it ended up bouncing off the 137.25. So I was wrong. But it doesn't mean that it can't go back downhill to try it again, as we got the rejection of 138.65. We got the rejection of that VWAP, kind of breaking up that uptrend too. Let's see, can we get back up inside that uptrend? Switch it over to the SPY. Tesla's on the move. Tesla, the break of the Tesla with the break of the resistance. Let me see. Let me get over here to Tesla. Get this off the screen. Well, I just abandoned my Charles Schwab account that I got sitting up over here. If y'all didn't know, I got a whole setup and screen over here with my Charles Schwab set up over here. But I just like Webull so much that I ain't even paying attention to my other screens over here. Which I need to change my strategy because I'm missing a few things. I'm missing a few things. Like I'm missing this Tesla run. I got Tesla set up right here on my Charles Schwab account over here, but I'm so focused on this particular screen right here that I'm looking at, what I'm streaming on, is that I have neglected this whole other side over here. I'm gonna have to change up this setup. I'm gonna have to change it up because I'm neglecting all this data that's over here. As Tesla moves up, clearly broke us resistance 347.28 on Tesla. If we can get a bounce off the 345.73 or 375.70 on Tesla, I'll jump in on Tesla for my second trade. That's what I think I'm about to do. 347.50. Good pullback. Come on with the pullback. $346. See what the next candle gonna do. pull the trigger on Tesla. Ah, they get billed. Okay, I'm billed now. One thirty, 1345, 88. 347.34 is the high. I'm billed on Tesla. I'm looking to break that 347.34, and I will get out for another. Come on, push it on up. Looking for the 347.34 touch for the new high today. Can we break that? Tesla, Elon Musk, you always come through for me, brother. Come on, let's push it. We know I don't like that wishy-washy, but I hold a little bit longer on Tesla. It's gonna be hard to break that 347.34. It's gonna be hard. Up 2%. I'm not gonna hold it that long though. That much longer. I'm looking for the 347.34 break. Matter of fact, I'm looking for this break right here. Wait, horizontal line. Yeah. 347.34 break. We get it? See what NVIDIA up to. Trying to get up to that 140.06. Mm, Been live almost an hour. Let's see. Bell Reaper, yo, what's up? You still teaching about stocks? Yeah, Bell Reaper, I'm still on here. ATM Tim Stock Sniper, hey, what's up, ATM Tim? I don't know if y'all gone yet, but I had to switch from the board to the dashboard on this restream. That's why I'm late on looking at the comments. I got to get back to the board. Video. Yeah, when I'm looking at the board, I can't see the comments. So I got to switch, from the main stream. I guess they call it a dashboard, the back office or whatever, where you can see the comments. I got to switch back and forth. But salute to y'all. Thank y'all for joining me. But the main thing I like about doing this though, Reaper, is that, I can go back and look at my trades afterwards. So it benefits me to live stream because I go over it at night. Every day that I do this, I go back at night and I go over my trades. That's why you'll hear me if you coming here and you hear me specifically calling out a trade and where I got in at and where I got out at, because I'm doing it for when I go look over them at night. That's why I like streaming. And if somebody, it's good if somebody really want to learn. But I basically do that because I can go back over my trades at night and I can look at it. So that's the benefit. And it has made me a better trader. I've been doing this, live streaming it, well, basically recording it. That's basically what I'm doing, recording my trades. And I go over and I look at I look at the video at night, and I use it for education. You know what I'm saying? That's what I use it for. And then, like, if my kids, my grandkids, also they can use this as, to be teaching. They can learn off this. So a lot of people ain't really with the day trading, but I do it If some people catch on, they do. And if they don't, you know what I'm saying? I'm basically really doing it for me and my family. You know, because I've taught them about long-term investing, so they know about investing in the stock market, but everybody's not really into the day trading. But if one of my grandkids or whatever, one of my kids want to go over these videos, hey, it's right there for them to go over it. So that's my main purpose of doing this, to benefit, my family. And some of them, don't ain't really with day trading. Like my mama. My mama's the one who taught me this stuff. Well, she didn't teach me day trading, but they taught me about investing at an early age. And they are totally against day trading. But they don't understand it. And they don't have the time to sit in front of the chart all day like I do. So they're not really into it like that, you know. But if you heard the story before, my mama, grandpa, and all them, they put investment books in my hand at an early age. So as a long-term investor, most long-term investors are against day trading. And that's that my mama is totally against it. She don't like day trading. She's with the crowd of day trading and gambling, but they don't understand, reading of the charts, stuff like that. They don't understand that, which is fine. But maybe one of my grandkids or somebody can gravitate to it, like me, even me. I didn't really, because of what I learned from them. Uh, Day trading was like, I thought it was gambling too when I first looked at it. And the only reason why I thought that, because I was going by what I was taught. But then I started paying attention to it, and I got attracted to just sitting there and look at the charts. And then I started getting a hunger for a hunger for learning. And then once I started learning and realized that it ain't about the money, it's about the reading of the charts. And that's when everything changed and my whole idea of it changed. And it's not for everybody. Really, it's not. It's only for the people that really want to learn how to read these charts. And that's what I wanted to do. I wanted to learn how to read these charts on a professional trader perspective. And that's what I did. And I continue to learn. And with live streaming, I can, and with live streaming, it allows me to go back and see where I got in at. It allows me to re-go over my stuff. And that's what I like about it. It's better than me just to go live. It's better for me to go live than to try to figure out how to record, screen record and all that. And I got a YouTube channel, just go live. So when I started going live, I started noticing that my trading got better. So that's the reason why I do it. I get people coming here, gambling and all this here, but then I just laugh because they don't know. That's one thing I don't do. If I don't know, I don't comment on it. If I don't know, you know what I'm saying? Because I don't know. I don't know how to rebuild a car engine. I don't know how to uh like my boy ATM Tim, he's a great electrician. I don't know nothing about that kind of stuff. So I can't, you know, comment on that because I don't know anything about it. The only thing I know how to do is buy a ugly house and call the contractor like an ATM Tim to come in and yeah, that's all I know. I don't know nothing about it. If I start trying to do some electricity, I'll probably try to blow it, but everything will blow up. I don't know nothing about it. Or a mechanic. I don't know nothing about that stuff. So I can't really say nothing about it. But that's what a lot of people do. They let me see, since it's breaking up 347.34 now, this contract supposed to be, see, I was looking for the 347.34 break, but that's why I'm like holding on to these contracts, bro. But this contract don't expire until the 22nd. So I got to barely pull out 5% on that because it got up to where I needed to go. But I held during all this time I've been holding on to that contract. That sucks, bro. That's why I'm like holding on to these contracts that long. I'm supposed to be up 50% right now, bro. And then on Tesla, the spreads are so 130. Okay, let's go. Man, I can't stand it, bro. That's why I don't like holding on to contracts this long. Come on, keep rolling. Get me up. I got to get out of this contract. Come on, we need to break that 348.15. I need to break that. I need to break it. Come on. Come on, let's break it. Man, 348.15 high today on Tesla. I only got 5% out of that one. I held it all that long time and only got 5% out of there. That sucks. 347.43. Nvidia got me so spoiled, man. Nvidia got me spoiled. For real, it do. I can't stand when that happens. That was supposed to be in a 50% payout. Can't stand when that happens. It's a shame. See, I've been live over an hour now. So I jumped in. Let me see, go back to that Tesla, redo that. I jumped in on the Tesla trade right around 345.90. Held all this time, broke got the trade that I wanted, broke above the resistance for a 5% profit. That's why I don't like holding on these contracts for so long. I held for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I held on to that. I held on to that trade for 20 minutes. And it went the way I wanted it to go, but it went the way I wanted it to go, but it just took too long. Shit. It just took too long. So with that 5% and the 5% this morning, I'm up 10% on Monday. I'm still watching Tesla. I'm still watching. Yeah, the contracts on Tesla, it's not moving whatsoever. And I need to get from over there. I need to go back. Yeah, I need to get back over here. I need to get back to NVIDIA. Yeah, that's why I don't like holding on to those contracts. No 20 minutes. I like to hold on to them 1 or 2 minutes at the longest. I don't like holding them no 20 minutes. Yeah, I don't like that. I don't like holding them no 20 minutes. So that was my mistake, holding it for 20 minutes. And then it moved really like I wanted it to move, but that was supposed to be a 50% trade. It only paid out 5%. Yeah, I'm pissed about that because I was supposed to got at least a 50%, at least. So I gotta let's see, there you go with that again. When I go over it tonight, I gotta figure out what I could have did better. I think, yeah, I pretty much got in at the highs. That's why I kind of messed up at. It was already up 8% on the day. So basically, I was chasing. That's what took me out of that trade, which is crazy. Tesla used to be number one, man. Used to be. Nvidia is number one now. Yeah, Nvidia is my baby. But Tesla, that good bounce play off Tesla is moving back on up. Yeah, in my opinion, now I'm thinking I just got in at the wrong area. That's what happened. I got in at the wrong area, chasing. And then I held too long. It's another thing I did wrong. Let me move this up to here. 348.16. That's another thing that I tend to do on these contracts that I can hold for a while is that sometime I will hold them a little bit longer. See, like on the SPY are daily contracts. So no matter what, it forces you to be more disciplined when you when you day trading the SPY. But when you day trading like Nvidia, Tesla, Microsoft, Facebook, Amazon, AMD, those stocks, when you trade in those companies, those contracts are at least a week. So you tend to, well, I tend to hold them a little bit longer to try to see if they will recover. So that's what I did with Tesla, because I know all this news that's coming out, Tesla been moving. So I held it a little bit longer. I held that contract for 20 minutes. That's exactly what I did. But we are steady building higher lows. You know what I'm saying? Higher lows. That's why I put this trend line there, because Tesla is building higher lows. So we're just gonna see what's gonna happen. Will we break the high of the day? 348.16. Let's see the highs it has been. 349.50. 349.50. Max. $400 is the max. I need to make a line right there. $414.50 on Tesla. $9.40. Been live. I've been live hour and 13 minutes. 2 people in the chat. Appreciate y'all for being here. Again, Reaper and Tim, if y'all still here, appreciate y'all for coming. I got to keep going back and forth. That's why I don't really look at the comments, because it'll throw me off on what I'm trying to do. But the trading session is just about over. So I can look at the comments now. Yeah, I got 2 trades in, 10% on the day. Really, really slow day. I made one mistake. I came in, got over here, got in on Tesla, and I got in on the high side. Basically, I just jumped in. That's what I did. I basically jumped in and I chased, and actually I held on to the trade too long. It went with the way I wanted it to go. It did, but the theta, which that's what that's called, the theta on the contracts, ate my profits alive, because I held for so long. I held 20 minutes. I held doing all this V-shaped recovery. I held from here all the way down here. I was red, and then up to here. But the theta ate the contract up so bad that by the time it did get to my target, which would have been a 50% profit, only ended up being 5. So that's why I don't like holding these contracts so long. But I made a mistake. I got in late. Yeah, that's what happened. I got in too late. I should have been watching Tesla all morning, but my Nvidia is my baby. But I should have been watching Tesla all morning with the news that they had about the with the Robo taxi, and Trump is going to approve self-driving vehicles. So with that news, I should have just stayed right here and got this good action this morning. But I didn't. When I did look at it and really pay attention to it because I'm stuck on Nvidia, which for good reasons. When I did get back over here, uh, it already ran up. It already been up. It was already up 8% on the day, and it was already up here. And with it being a day trade, I got in basically. I basically chased it, which is not a good idea. I chased it, and when I chased it, I automatically knew when I went down, I was down like 20%. So when I was down 20%, I was like, okay, I might as well just hold it. So, and that's what I did. But the contract didn't mature like I thought it was. It didn't. So a 50% ended up was supposed to be 50% was only 5. So that was the mindset I was thinking when I pulled the trigger on that trade. I was like, it is Tesla. If I need to hold it for a few days, I definitely will do that. But it didn't mature. Once it bounced back, it didn't mature like I thought it was. So with that, I didn't like that. When I seen it was only 5% and I was expecting at least 40, I was like, nah, these contracts ain't paying out right for some reason today. And I just went on and cut it out with the 5%. The trade did work out, but I just held it too long. That's the thing I like about trading these great companies. If you can hold it long enough, you will recover. But with those, depending on what contract you got, I did go down a little farther on the option ladder. I did go down a little further, so the theta was lower than what because the contracts are kind of expensive on Tesla. So plus with it being a Monday. So I went down maybe too far also. I probably went down too far on the ladder. That's what held the contract back from maturing like it's supposed to. So when I go over it tonight, I'll be able to see what really happened. But I'm thinking the combination of getting a cheaper contract with uh, getting in at the top, two mistakes, and then with holding it through all of this, three. Luckily, it did, bounce back. You know what I'm saying? Because my exit right here, my exit was what it did right here. I wanted it to do right here, and I knew it was gonna get back up here. That's why I held all the way through all of this. I held it, and it just didn't mature like I thought it was. So I just got out. That's what happened on that one. I think I already went over my Nvidia. Yeah, I already went over Nvidia when I first made that trade, which was 5%. I went over that one, which that was a short to the downside. Tesla was to the upside, but Tesla is still building high lows. It's still doing good. And I'm thinking that we're still going to break the 348.16. It's just that particular contract that I was in. I got in on the lower end of the ladder, which was way away from the money. So even though it was a cheaper contract, it don't move as fast as the ones that are closer to the money. if you know how the option ladder work, then you understand exactly what I'm talking about. Basically, I got caught up in the thing. So that's what happened. So I think that's my time right there. Analyzed one good trade and one horrible trade, which I was lucky to get out with the 5%. Lucky, you know what I'm saying? As Tesla is moving back up to the 348.16. So for a stock sniper, if you know that, why you didn't hold? I just didn't because I didn't hold because I realized that the contract was way down the ladder. So that's why. So with that being said, I'm out of here. You know what I'm saying? Let me see who I'll join, who commented. Okay, appreciate y'all for joining me, Reaper and my boy ATM Tim. Appreciate you, bro. Appreciate y'all. And Reaper, if you still in there, yeah, I was just thinking. I might need to talk to you about making me a song for my channel. That's what I want to do. I want to make me I want you to make me a song. You know what I'm saying? Like an intro that I can play. That's what I need to do. But you got away with them words, and I like your style of rap. So I might need if you still in here or if you see this, next time I see you somewhere else, I gotta talk to you about making me a song. Yeah, I gotta talk to you about making me a song for my channel, man. Like with my name, the Stock Sniper. That's what I want to do. I want to. Hopefully, you'll be able to do that for me. Hopefully, you will do it. And I'll pay you. Make me an intro. It ain't got to be long. I'll probably about. I would say. I would say Reaper maybe. It ain't even got to be 30 seconds because I just want an intro. And whenever I hit a good trade, I can play it. Because in a minute, I'm gonna have a microphone. I'm gonna have those little boxes that they have, and you can press the button. But when I hit a good trade, I want to play my song, my stock sniper song. You know what I'm saying? That's what I need to talk to you about, Reaper. Man, I wish I could have caught you while you was in here. But if you still in here and if you come back, man, I want to talk to you about making me a song, man, an intro for my channel. Yeah, yeah, a stock sniper song. That's what I want to do. When I get a good trade or I say something that I think is fly, I can play my song. Yeah, that's a good idea. Man, yeah, I need to holler at you, Reaper. You got to give me your email address so I can talk to you off the internet, because I'm going to pay you to make the song. I don't want to pay you. Let me know how much you're going to charge me. Nice beat, nice flow. The stock sniper song. You make it up how you want to make it up, but put the stock sniper in there, earn, spend less and invest all up in there. You got away with words, Bill Reaper. You can do it the right way how it needed to be done. Yeah, I know it. It's gonna be a great song too. Great intro. It ain't gotta be no 2-3 minute song. Just I would say 30 seconds, maybe. Not maybe, yeah, maybe 30 seconds. Yeah. So yeah, I got to next time I see you somewhere else, man, I gotta talk to you, Reaper, for real. If you hear, comment. If you one of these two people, comment, Reaper, let me know. Yeah, maybe I need to put my email up. Yeah, you can email me. I'll email you. You can have my phone number. I ain't even tripping. You can have my phone number. We can chop it up. Yeah, I need it. But then I also got to figure out. Yeah, I know how to go. I know how to live stream it. I know how to do this, and I know how to put all this on there. But I don't know how to add the song on there on my intro and my outro. So I got to figure out how to do that. But I'll worry about that once I actually get the song. Yeah. So that's my time, y'all. As Tesla breaks that 348 12. Yeah, but I think that's my live, y'all. Appreciate y'all for joining me. You know what I'm saying? Hope y'all have a great day. You know what I'm saying? Earn, spend less, and invest. Yeah, earn, spend less, and invest. 704 Wall Street, that's my block. 704 Wall Street is my block. And with that being said, this is the one and only Stock Sniper. I'm out.